A slide deck presentation presented by Team A. The title of our presentation is called CodeNorth. The team is made up of 6 team members, which include Precious Uche Eze, Kaka Okikiola Olaniko, Thaddeus Onyeakazi, Adedotun Adegoke, Nicholas Joshua, and William Spaceful. Statement of the problem. A critical issue in northern Nigeria: significant absence of quality tech education for youths aged 15 to 35, obstructing the quality of life. Our related GCGO is tech and job creation. Why this problem matters? The absence of quality tech education for youths in northern Nigeria perpetuates a cycle of poverty, unemployment, and underutilization of human potential, hindering economic growth and national development. Affected persons or group of individuals. Meet Zainab. According to UNICEF Nigeria, Zainab is a 22-year-old lady who lives in a small village outside Kano, Nigeria. She dreams of becoming a software developer, inspired by the few tech-savvy individuals she's seen in nearby towns. However, her reality is far from her aspiration. Her family's limited income means she cannot afford the travel and tuition fees required for the nearest tech training center, which is hours away from her home. Her old smartphone, a hand-me-down from her brother, has intermittent internet access, making online learning a frustrating experience for her. Culturally, her community holds traditional views about women's role, subtly discouraging her pursuit of a non-traditional career. Her parents, while supportive, don't fully understand her ambition, and there are no female role models in her village working in tech industry. Zainab feels isolated, lacking the resources, mentorship, and community support she needs to pursue her passion. When she does find online resources, they are often data intensive, draining her limited data allowance. She's intelligent and driven, but the lack of access to quality tech education, combined with socioeconomic and cultural barriers, is holding her back, leaving her feeling frustrated and hopeless about her future. Statistically, Nigeria has a significant digital skills gap, with only 20% of the workforce having the necessary skills to compete in the digital economy. This skills gap is more pronounced in northern Nigeria, where youth lack access to quality tech education and training. This can be found in a paper published by UNESCO 2020 called Tech Education and Training in Nigeria. Limited access to tech education. In northern Nigeria, only 4.7% of youth aged 15 to 35 have access to tech education and training programs. This limited access to tech education perpetuates a cycle of poverty, unemployment, and underutilization of human potential in the area. Facts about this figure can be found in a graphic as presented in the slide. The visualization in the chart illustrates a notable upward trend in female university enrolled in Nigeria between 2012 and 2020, and also an upward trend in government investment in education between 2020 and 2024. This is a little government have been doing about female education and youth education in tech industry. While there were minor fluctuations, the overall investment share more than doubled, suggesting an increasing prioritization of education funding over this period. Proposed solution. Our team proposed this solution to develop a mobile app called North Code that offers interactive lessons and coding challenges. Why we choose this solution? The CodeNorth mobile app was selected due to the high prevalence of mobile phones in northern Nigeria, providing an affordable and accessible method for delivering quality tech education. It overcomes geographical constraints and financial obstacles, making learning readily available to users. The app's design supports self-paced learning, catering for various schedules, while interactive elements like gamification and multimedia content boost motivation and information retention. Importantly, it, its offline functionality tackles the internet connectivity issues faced in the region. Why is it likely to be effective? The app's effectiveness comes from addressing crucial issues such as limited access, high cost, and a shortage of relevant content. By leveraging current technology and encouraging self-directed learning, CodeNorth enables young people to acquire value tech skills. Its ability to scale and adapt means it can connect with a wide audience and stay pertinent. Additionally, by creating a sense of community through in-app forums and offering practical skills, it has the potential to significantly enhance users' employability and overall quality of life. Wireframe of this app is displayed on the screen. We have the three stages of the wireframe, which is the welcome page, sign-in page, and course navigation page.
So this is a wireframe for our app. So this is an app that teaches students tech skills, various tech skills, very easy to navigate and simple to use. So as you can see, this is our welcome page where we have um the app logo and welcome text. So you can create an account, or if you are an existing user, you can create an account by clicking on get started or login for existing users. So I don't have an account before, so we'll create a new account. So get started. Then it's going to take us to our registration page where we register a new user for new account. So you can register here by filling out these details, your name, last name, username, password. Then once you've done that, click on continue. Then you see congratulations. So this is your confirmation page. Then we'll move to your profile page. This is your profile page, shows you. Then we can click on our course to see all our courses. This is our course page, shows us all the courses we have, their stars and their amount.
The needs and pain points experienced by test users. 1. Clarity of learning paths and progress. Pain points. Although the wireframes clearly illustrate the learning progress, such as how lessons are built, some users still feel lost and unsure of what to do next after finishing with a module. They also struggle to visualize their overall progress, leading to a lack of motivation. The need. In this case, users need a clear visual representation of their learning journey, showing them where they are, what they have accomplished, and what is coming next. Progress indicators and a clear curriculum map has been considered essential. Understanding interactive and feedback. Pain points. Wireframes by nature are low fidelity. They don't adequately demonstrate how interactive elements, such as coding editors, quizzes, and forums, will function. Therefore, users struggle to understand how to interact with them. Similarly, the wireframes don't show how the app will provide feedback such as error messages, hints, correct answer indicators. Also, users feel confused and frustrated. Need. Users need clear visual cues and annotations that explain how interactive elements work and how the app will provide feedback. This will help them understand the app's functionality and prevent frustration during actual use. Recommendations and challenges for these pain points. Based on test user feedback, the CodeNorth team is set to simplify navigation and organize information to make the app easier to use and find content. Visually show learning progress, clearly display users' learning journey and achievements. Explain interactive features and feedback that show how the app works and provide clear responses. Make offline module clear and show when the app is offline and how progress is saved. Improve onboarding and guide new users on how to use the app. And lastly, clean up the user interface by making the app visually clear and easy to read. Next step if giving fund. If given funds, CodeNorth will transform into a comprehensive tech education ecosystem. Our key steps include expanding learning by adding advanced courses, real-world projects, and a job placement platform. Building community by creating physical tech hubs, mentorship programs, and vibrant online communities. Using cutting-edge tech by integrating AI, VR, AR, and enhanced gamification. Scaling impact by partnering with schools, running outreach programs, and expanding regionally. And lastly, ensuring sustainability by using data to improve developing funding models and measuring impact. Restating why CodeNorth could make an important difference. The core why behind CodeNorth is to break down the barriers preventing youths aged 15 to 35 in northern Nigeria from accessing quality tech education, thereby unlocking their potential and improving their quality of life. This region faced significant challenges: limited access to traditional education, financial constraints, unreliable infrastructure, and cultural barriers, all of which stifle opportunities for young people. CodeNorth as a mobile app solution can make a crucial difference because it democratizes access. By leveraging the widespread use of mobile phones, it delivers education directly to users regardless of their location or financial status. It empowers true skills. By providing relevant tech skills, equipped youth with the tools to participate in the digital economy, leading to increased employability and economic independence. It fosters inclusion. By addressing cultural and gender barriers, it creates a more equitable learning environment, enabling a marginalized group to thrive. It builds a community. Through online and potential physical hubs, it creates supportive networks that encourages collaboration and mentorship. And lastly, it drives sustainable change. By empowering individuals with skills, it contributes to the long-term economic and social development of northern Nigeria. Our reflection is that overall, the stimulated CodeNorth team demonstrated a strong foundation for developing a potential impactful solution. They exhibited a user-centered approach, adaptability, and ethical awareness, all vital for success. However, to truly thrive, the team should prioritize deeper local engagement, robust sustainability planning, and a strong data-driven evaluation framework. Incorporating diverse perspectives, especially from the target region, will be crucial for ensuring the solution's relevance and long-term success.